Hello again, traders, and welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. This is our weekly market analysis for the week ending March 22nd, 2015. And I mistakenly looked at the calendar incorrectly last week. You'd think I'd be able to read one at this age, but I did not. And last week's analysis was actually for the week ending the 15th, not the 22nd. So I apologize for that. We had the FOMC announcement Wednesday. Bank of Japan Tuesday, news from Mr. Draghi on Monday. So as I mentioned in last week's WMA, I stayed out of the markets the first few days of the week and then waited till after that FOMC, which created massive depreciation in the dollar simply by the Federal Open Market Committee removing the word patient with regards to raising the interest rates in the US from their statement. And you can see the market reacted very positively in terms of all the crosses against the dollar depreciating, the euro, and a lot of these pairs moving 300 or 200 to 300 pips right after that news came out. So I wasn't even in the market at that particular time, and I just waited, took some trades here on Friday, which were very nice. These bounces after these retests of structure down here on a lot of these pairs, retesting support after these massive rallies from the FOMC, and now we're coming back into structure. We're retesting the resistance that resulted from that FOMC announcement. So we'll see if that structure holds and if we have these sell-offs back down to retest previous support almost across the board on these very, very common and highly traded pairs. Euro CAD and Euro Aussie and Euro Swiss moving sideways, as are the Pound CAD, Pound Aussie, Pound Swiss. So I will be focusing in here at the market open and the beginning of the week to see if this structure holds or if the Euro, Pound, Aussie, and Kiwi crosses continue to appreciate against the dollar. Look at your 4-hour charts and you can see that after these massive sell-offs of the euro and pound recently, we had some really nice bullish divergence that, in spite of the FOMC, foretold of this rally that took place middle and latter part of the week. You will want to make sure and check out the Trade Copier tab on the Pro Trader Network website. I've released a very short introductory video on the Trade Copier, video 1. The subsequent videos to follow very shortly. So stay tuned and watch your emails for those videos as they are released. Thank you again for spending time here at the Pro Trader Network. And as always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.